Here's how to add a project in your resume in FlowCV. First, go ahead and pick your resume you want to work on. Once you're in the content area, you can go ahead and click the Add Content button right here. That'll take you to a page where you can scroll through all the different sections you can add to your resume. Not just projects, but a lot of other options as well. From here, I'll click Projects. Now, you can start filling in the important details. For this video, I'll add a fake project just to show you how it works. You can enter the project title and then add the starting and ending dates. And then include more details depending on the job you're applying for. Once you've filled everything in, take a moment to tweak the wording and double-check the grammar. Click Done once you're satisfied. And that's how you add a project in your resume in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.